For 585, they want us to state whether the sequences are linear or exponential. And sometimes it's going to say state whether they're linear and exponential. Sometimes they're going to say whether it's arithmetic or geometric. Same concept applies to both. And then it says give the rate of change, right? Okay, so let's go through these one by one. I'm going to zoom in so I have more space on these, right? So, okay. So for A, we can see that 12 times 12, right, is 144. And then for this to be geometric, we would have to multiply by 12 again. So we check, is 144 times 12, 1728? Yes, it is, right? So the rate of change is 12. Rate of change is 12, and in this case it is exponential, right, or geometric, exponential, because we're multiplying by a constant. Okay, the next one, I can quickly see that we're adding 5, right, and you have to verify that you're adding 5 across every term, which we are, right? So therefore, the rate of change, I'm not going to write rate of change every time. The rate of change is, the rate of change up here was times 12. The rate of change here is plus 5, and it's arithmetic, or in this case, they asked us linear or exponential, so it's linear. For C, let's see, if I try to add 4, right, add 4, that doesn't work because this is plus 12, right? So that doesn't work. And I'm just showing you the trial and error methods you'd use to actually see. So now let's see if we multiply. Well, we clearly can't multiply because the first term's 0, so anything times that would be 0. So this is neither arithmetic or geometric or linear or exponential, so it's neither, right? And for now, don't worry what it is. It's actually quadratic, but don't worry what it is. At this point, you either need to know exponential, linear, or other. Okay. The next one, D, 1.5 times what is 2.25? I can see the pattern here, right? So that's why I chose times first. So times 1.5, right? Because I know 15 squared is 225, right? So now we have to check, is 2.25 times 1.5 3.375? Yes, it is, right? So times 1.5. And you can check that on a calculator, right? You don't need to have that memorized. So the rate of change for this one is times 1.5, right? And this would make it exponential, right? Or geometric if you were talking about the sequence itself.